Imagine a world where it rains molten glass sideways at 5,000 miles per hour, a planet made entirely of burning ice, or a place so dark it swallows light itself. These aren't scenes from a sci-fi movie, these planets actually exist. Out there in the vast cosmic ocean far beyond our familiar shores of Earth lie worlds stranger, more terrifying than we ever dared to imagine. Today we journey into the abyss to uncover the chilling secrets of the most terrifying planets in the universe. Our first stop brings us to HD 189733b, a planet that, from a distance, might even be mistaken for our own Earth. It shimmers with a captivating deep blue hue, a color that evokes feelings of home, of tranquility. But let me assure you, this is where the resemblance ends. HD 189733b is a gas giant, much like our own Jupiter. But this planet is locked in a deadly dance with its star. It's a dance so close, so intimate, that the planet's atmosphere is scorched to an unimaginable 1,700 degrees Fahrenheit. But the heat is just the beginning of the horror show. This planet is home to winds unlike anything we've ever encountered. These winds, driven by the intense heat and the planet's own rotation, howl across the surface at 5,400 miles per hour. That's 7 times the speed of sound. Imagine the sheer destructive power. But if you think that's terrifying, it gets worse. The atmosphere of HD 189733b is laden with silicates, the building blocks of glass, and under these extreme temperatures and pressures, these silicates condense into tiny razor-sharp shards of glass. Now picture this. You're standing on the surface of this hellish world. The air is scorching your lungs, the wind is tearing at you with unimaginable fury, and all around you shards of molten glass are raining down sideways at hypersonic speeds, slicing through anything in their path. This is HD 189733b, a world where even glass, a material we consider fragile, becomes a weapon of unimaginable terror. Our next destination takes us to the constellation of Cancer, where a planet named 55 Cancri E challenges our very understanding of physics. This planet is twice the size of Earth, but its environment is far from hospitable. 55 Cancri A is tidally locked to its star, meaning one side perpetually faces the searing heat, while the other is shrouded in eternal darkness. Imagine a world of extremes where day and night are not cycles but unchanging landscapes. On the star-facing side, temperatures soar to a staggering 4,400 degrees Fahrenheit, hot enough to melt rock. But it's the planet's composition that makes it truly terrifying. 55 Cancri E is believed to be composed largely of carbon. Now, under normal circumstances, carbon is the backbone of life as we know it. But under extreme pressure, carbon transforms into something different. The pressure on 55 Cancri E is so immense that the carbon atoms have bonded together, forming a planet-wide ocean of burning ice. You see, under these extreme conditions, water behaves in ways that defy our intuition. The intense pressure keeps the water molecules locked in a solid state, even at temperatures that would normally boil it away. But the heat, oh, the heat is still there, trapped within the ice itself. Imagine a world where the very ground beneath your feet is on fire, a planet where ice burns with an infernal glow. This is 55 Cancri E, a place that turns the familiar into the horrifying. Chapter 3, WASP-12b, Devoured by its Star. We've explored worlds of scorching glass storms and burning ice, but now we journey to a planet facing a far more gruesome fate, WASP-12b. This gas giant, located some 1,400 light-years away, is a stark reminder of the immense power of the cosmos. WASP-12b is a planet on the brink of oblivion. Orbiting perilously close to its star, it's caught in a gravitational tug-of-war it cannot win. The star's immense gravity is literally tearing the planet apart, stripping away its atmosphere layer by layer. Imagine a world being slowly devoured, its very essence ripped away into the void. Astronomers have observed WASP-12b's atmosphere, superheated to a scorching 4,000 degrees Fahrenheit, being stretched out into a comet-like tail, a trail of planetary debris marking its demise. But the true horror lies in the planet's inevitable fate. Over millions of years, WASP-12b will continue to spiral closer and closer to its doom, its atmosphere completely stripped away, its core eventually swallowed whole by its insatiable stellar companion. WASP-12b stands as a chilling testament to the power of gravity, a cosmic horror story unfolding across the vast canvas of space. Chapter 4, TRES 2, B. The planet of eternal night. From a world consumed by light, we now journey to a place where light itself is consumed. A place of perpetual darkness where even the stars themselves hold no sway. This is TRES 2b, the darkest planet ever discovered. Located some 750 light-years away, TRES 2b is a gas giant, much like Jupiter. But unlike Jupiter, with its swirling clouds and vibrant colors, TRES 2b is blacker than coal, reflecting less than 1% of the light that falls upon it. Imagine a world so dark, so utterly devoid of light, that standing on its surface, you would not even be able to see your hand in front of your face. Scientists believe that TRES 2b's atmosphere is composed of light-absorbing chemicals, substances that trap photons, the very particles of light, preventing them from escaping. But the true nature of these chemicals, and the processes that create such an incredibly dark world, remain shrouded in mystery. TRES 2b is a chilling reminder that the universe holds secrets we are only just beginning to unravel, secrets that challenge our understanding and ignite our fears of the unknown. Chapter 5. Rogue Planets, Adrift in the Void. So far we've explored planets tethered to stars, locked in a deadly dance of gravity and heat. But what about worlds that have escaped these bonds? Worlds that wander the cosmos alone, adrift in the black ocean of space. These are the rogue planets, and they are perhaps the most terrifying of all. These nomadic worlds were once part of solar systems, just like our own. But through gravitational interactions with other planets, or perhaps even passing stars, they were violently ejected from their homes, flung out into the interstellar void. Imagine a planet, torn from its sun, cast adrift into the cold emptiness of space. No warmth, no light, just an endless journey through the darkness. With no star to provide energy, temperatures on these rogue planets plummet to unimaginable lows, hundreds of degrees below zero. Any oceans would freeze solid, their surfaces buried beneath layers of ice kilometers thick. But the true horror of a rogue planet lies in its isolation. Imagine a world where the sun never rises, where the stars are just pinpricks of light against an unyielding black canvas. A world where any life that might have once existed is now frozen in time, locked in a perpetual state of cosmic winter. The rogue planets stand as chilling reminders of the universe's indifference, a testament to the vastness and emptiness that lies beyond our familiar cosmic neighborhood. The universe is full of wonders, but it's also full of nightmares. From glass storm planets to burning ice and worlds swallowed by darkness, space is far more terrifying than any sci-fi horror story. Which of these planets do you think is the most terrifying? Let me know in the comments. And if you love mind-blowing space content, don't forget to subscribe to Beyond the Stars and hit the notification bell.